Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the environment ready. Update iPadOS so Apple Intelligence has required system features and security. Once done, plug in or charge above 50% and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. This ensures model downloads won't interrupt. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication and iCloud syncing active, because Intelligence uses your device data securely. Now open Settings and navigate to the Apple Intelligence entry to start the setup flow. Follow prompts. Once in the Apple Intelligence pane, you configure capabilities. Toggle on Siri, dictation, and personalization so responses use your context. You'll be asked to select which data sources, mail, messages, photos, notes, calendar, can be accessed. Grant the minimum needed for the task to preserve privacy. Next, choose local versus cloud model options. Local models improve latency and privacy, while cloud can be more powerful. Make sure to download required on-device models and read the privacy summary before you accept. Finish by testing Apple Intelligence with small, concrete tasks. Ask for a meeting summary, draft a short email, or generate an image caption to verify behavior and permissions. If outputs seem off, go back into settings to tweak data access and language preferences. Adjustments immediately change how personalized responses are formed. If things break, models fail to download, or features are stuck, restart the iPad, confirm your Wi-Fi and Apple ID, then reinitiate model downloads. This resolves most setup faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.